Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, is an important nutrient that is required for many bodily functions. It is necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and it helps maintain healthy skin, eyes, and nervous systems. Despite its importance, many people suffer from vitamin B2 deficiency, which can cause a range of health problems. In this article, we will discuss the signs that you may have a vitamin B2 deficiency, as well as the health benefits of this crucial vitamin. The cause of vitamin B2 deficiency can be due to a variety of factors, including poor diet, certain medical conditions that affect nutrient absorption, alcoholism, and certain medications. People who follow a restrictive diet, such as a vegan or vegetarian diet, may also be at higher risk of developing a deficiency, as many food sources of vitamin B2 are animal-based. In some cases, genetic disorders may also lead to a deficiency in vitamin B2. 9 signs of vitamin B2 deficiency. Cracked lips and corners of the mouth. One of the most common signs of vitamin B2 deficiency is cracking or soreness in the corners of the mouth. You may also experience dry, cracked lips. This is because vitamin B2 is essential for maintaining healthy skin, and a deficiency can cause inflammation and crack in the mouth area. Tongue inflammation. Another common symptom of vitamin B2 deficiency is a swollen, sore tongue. This is because vitamin B2 is necessary for the maintenance of healthy oral tissues, and a lack of it can cause inflammation in the mouth. Eye problems. Vitamin B2 is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight, so a deficiency can lead to a range of eye problems, including sensitivity to light, itching, burning, and redness. This is because vitamin B2 is required for the production of certain pigments in the eyes that help protect against light-induced damage. Skin problems. A lack of vitamin B2 can cause skin problems such as dermatitis, acne, and rosacea. This is because vitamin B2 plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin by promoting cell growth and repair. Fatigue and weakness. Vitamin B2 is necessary for energy production, so a deficiency can cause fatigue and weakness. This is because vitamin B2 is involved in the production of ATP, the main source of energy for the body. Nerve damage. A prolonged deficiency in vitamin B2 can cause nerve damage, leading to numbness, tingling, and other neurological problems. This is because vitamin B2 is necessary for the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Anemia. Vitamin B2 is essential for the production of red blood cells, so a deficiency can lead to anemia. This is because vitamin B2 is required for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to the body. Slow growth and development. In children, a lack of vitamin B2 can lead to slow growth and development. This is because vitamin B2 is essential for the synthesis of DNA and RNA, the building blocks of cells. Digestive problems. Vitamin B2 deficiency can cause digestive problems such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. This is because vitamin B2 is involved in the digestion and metabolism of food. 9 health benefits of vitamin B2. Boosts energy production. Vitamin B2 plays a crucial role in the production of energy by converting carbohydrates into glucose, which the body uses for fuel. This makes it an essential nutrient for maintaining energy levels and reducing fatigue. Supports healthy vision. Vitamin B2 is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and can help prevent cataracts, glaucoma, and other eye problems. This is because vitamin B2 is required for the production of certain pigments in the eyes that help protect against light-induced damage. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Vitamin B2 helps to maintain healthy skin and hair, promoting cell growth and repair. It also helps to reduce inflammation in the skin, which can help to prevent acne and other skin problems. Reduces inflammation. Vitamin B2 has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce inflammation in the body. This can be particularly beneficial for those with conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, which is characterized by chronic inflammation. Supports the immune system. Vitamin B2 is essential for producing antibodies, which help fight off infections and support a healthy immune system. May help prevent migraines. Some studies have suggested that vitamin B2 supplements may help to prevent migraines, a debilitating condition characterized by recurring headaches. Supports healthy pregnancy. Vitamin B2 is important for a fetus's healthy development and can help prevent birth defects. Pregnant women are advised to consume adequate amounts of vitamin B2 to ensure a healthy pregnancy. May help prevent cancer. Some studies have suggested that vitamin B2 may help to prevent certain types of cancer, such as colorectal and breast cancer. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings. Supports healthy aging. Vitamin B2 is an important nutrient for healthy aging, as it helps to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major contributors to age-related diseases. What are some ways to replenish our low vitamin B2 levels? If you have a vitamin B2 deficiency, there are several ways to make up for your low B2 reserves. Add B2-rich foods to your diet. Foods high in vitamin B2 include dairy products, eggs, lean meats, fish, and green leafy vegetables. Eating a balanced and varied diet that includes these foods can help to boost your B2 levels. Consider a B2 supplement. Vitamin B2 supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, tablets, and powders. If you have a severe deficiency or have trouble getting enough B2 from your diet, a supplement may be recommended by your doctor or registered dietitian. Get enough sunlight. Sunlight exposure can also help to increase your vitamin B2 levels, as it helps the body to convert a precursor molecule to active B2. However, getting enough sun exposure is important without risking sunburn or skin damage. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can interfere with B2 absorption and metabolism, so limiting your alcohol intake or avoiding it altogether may help to improve your B2 status. Manage underlying medical conditions. Certain medical conditions, such as celiac disease or inflammatory bowel disease, can affect nutrient absorption and lead to deficiencies. Managing these conditions with the help of a healthcare provider can improve the nutrient status, including vitamin B2. Fun facts about vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 was first isolated in 1920 by a scientist named Richard Kuhn, who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work in 1938. Vitamin B2 is responsible for the bright yellow color of urine after taking a multivitamin supplement that contains this vitamin. This is because excess riboflavin is excreted in the urine and gives it a fluorescent yellow color. Some foods that are high in vitamin B2 include almonds, mushrooms, spinach, and eggs. Vitamin B2 is water-soluble, which means that it is not stored in the body and must be replenished regularly through diet or supplementation. Riboflavin was once used as a food coloring agent and is still commonly used in the production of some cosmetics and textiles. Conclusion: vitamin B2 is a crucial nutrient that is required for many bodily functions. A deficiency in this important vitamin can cause a range of health problems, from cracked lips and skin problems to nerve damage and anemia. However, consuming adequate amounts of vitamin B2 can provide a range of health benefits, including boosting energy production, supporting healthy vision, and reducing inflammation. If you are experiencing any of the symptoms of vitamin B2 deficiency, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action.